Hello students. So we start in the next chapter, second chapter of class 10th mathematics. That is the polynomial. So as always, before starting the chapter, first we explain what is the meaning of the chapter, what is the polynomial. So in class 9, the same chapter, name polynomial. So what means polynomial? So before explaining polynomial, first we explain the terms. Algebraic expression and degree. So first we explain algebraic expression. I think you all know algebraic expression is the combination of variable and constant with any operation, multiply, plus, minus, multiply, divide, any. So the combination of variables and constant with any operation, that is called algebraic expression. Just like if I write, what is the variable? A, B, C, dash, dash, Z, R, E, alpha, beta, delta, they all are the they all are the variables. Variable means which have not fixed value. The value of these all variables are not fixed. A की value कभी 5, कभी 9, कभी 6. So they are the variables. And constant which have the fixed value means 1, 2, root 3, x, minus 1, 0, x is the variable. So they are the constant. So combination of variables and constant is called algebraic expression. Just like if write x plus 2, algebraic expression, yes. X, algebraic expression, yes, because here 1. If I write, sir, 3, yes, because we can write 3x to the power 0, because x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So value of this is also 3. So these are called the algebraic expression. Any more? 3x square plus 5x plus 7, that's algebraic expression, because variables भी है, constant भी है. सर आप लोग दिमाग में रखो सर y ऑलवेज टेक x, कोई बात नहीं, a ले लेते हैं. So this is the algebraic expression. So in algebraic expressions have terms and degree. What is terms? Terms means expression is separate by positive and negative sign. Terms is not divided by multiply or divide sign. Means if I write here 3x plus 4, so this term and this term with sign means 3x and 4. If I write 3x square minus 3z square minus 4y plus 3 terms 3z square minus 4y and 3 terms means in this algebraic expression have 3 terms. 3xyz only one terms, because here multiply sign, only plus and minus divide the sign. Here multiply is not separate the terms. So if I write 3x x plus z, so only one terms. But if you simplify them, 3x square plus 3xz, that is the 2 terms. So this is the terms. So degree, if before degree, we have to rub them. So, in which expression have one term is called monomial. Two terms, binomial. Three terms, trinomial. Four terms, tetranomial. They all are also called multinomial or also called polynomial. अभी polynomial पे नहीं आ रहे हैं. We only the connection between them. So they are the one terms monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, four terms tetranomial. They are also called multinomial. Okay. So if we talk about the degree means the highest power of expression. If I write 3x square plus 3, here the power is 2. Here no variable, power is 0. Why? You know that we can now write 3 is equal to 3 into x to the power 0. So power is 0. If I write 3xy minus 7x minus 8z, here power 1 1 2. If two variable used, the power are add in multiplication form. Here power 1, here power 1. So if I say degree of this term is 2, because the highest power means 2 and 0, that is highest is 2. Here 2 1 1, so degree is 2. So in class 9 you also know, in class 8 you also know they define the degree terms. So let me rub this. So here you find the degree of the terms expression. If any expression have 1 degree, so it's called linear. 2 degree, quadratic. 3 degree, cubic. 4 degree, that is biquadratic or quadratic. If any expression have 0 degree, 0 degree means anything, example 4. So 4 means 4x square, that means power 0, so degree is also 0. So 0 degree, that is the constant. So this is a talk about the degree terms. Then we take the polynomial. आपको लगा सर पहले डी पॉलिनोमियल नहीं बताया, आपने ये सब बता दिया. बिकॉज द प्रीवियस थिंग्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट देन द न्यू थिंग्स. दिस इज द कनेक्शन बिटवीन द प्रीवियस एंड न्यू. सो एंड ऑफ. So we know that what is algebraic expression. So polynomial, what is polynomial? Poly means होता है many, many. और nomial means होता है terms, many terms. So we say that special types of algebraic expression is called polynomial. Special term, two things. Which special things? 1 and 2. First, power of variable is always positive. Power of variable is not in fractional form. Mean the conclusion of both this says that the power of variable is always whole number. Means in which algebraic expression have the power is always whole number, power of the variable is always whole number, so such types of expression is called polynomial. So we say that such types of algebraic expression which have non-negative and non-fractional power, non-negative and non-fractional power is called polynomial. Or you can say directly, the algebraic expression have the power of variable is always whole number is called polynomial. So the example, 3x square power whole number, yes, polynomial. 3x plus 7 power 1, yes. 3 upon 5 z square minus 3y, yes, power 2 power 1. 7 is for 0 power whole number, yes. 3x square plus 8x square plus 3 upon 7. Why? 8x square upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Here the power is 2, here the power is 1, 0. So this is the polynomial. So if I take 3x e power minus 2, not polynomial. They all polynomial, not polynomial. Why? Because the power is not a whole number. If I write 3 root x minus 7, so we can write 3x e power 1 by 2 minus 7. No. Power 1 upon 2. Root 3x square plus 7. Yes. Why? Yes. Because only 3 in root. X is not in root. So it's a polynomial. But if we write root 3x plus 7. So no. Because root 3 into x e power 1 by 2 plus 7. Fractional power हो गई. So it's not a polynomial. 3x square plus 7 upon x. We can simplify them. 3x square upon x, 7 upon x, 1x cancel out. So here the 3x plus 7x e power minus 1. No, it's not a polynomial. Okay, so I hope so you all understand how I identify that the expression is polynomial or not. Fraction power आ गई? No. Negative power आ गई? No. Root x is 1 upon 2? No. So they all are the identification how we recognize that the expression is polynomial or not. Then take so same polynomials in terms one terms monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial is the same as one, but on basis of degree if we find the degree of the polynomial and if the expression degree is 0, you can say the constant polynomial. So first we take the constant polynomial. Here means degree of the polynomial is 0. एग्जाम्पल लेंगे 3, 7, 9, 13 because they all we can write 3x e power 0, 7x e power 0, 9x e power 0, 13x e power 0. So they all are the degree 0. So they are called constant polynomial. Then we take the zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means degree not defined, because in zero polynomial the term is only 0. That means 0. That you can write 0 x e power 0 is also equal to 0 x e power 1, 0 x e power 1, 2, 0 x e power 3. So degree of zero polynomial is not fixed. इसकी डिग्री फिक्स नहीं है. So this polynomial is called zero polynomial because it's not the fixed degree. So they are also constant number, but it's not a degree 0. Degree 0, that's called constant polynomial because include the x to the power 0. But here the x to the power is not fixed, so degree of zero polynomial is not fixed, so degree is not defined of this polynomial. Okay, so next topic, the linear polynomial. So linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means the degree of the polynomial should be 1. It's called linear polynomial. Example 3x plus 4 power 1 0 means degree 1, that is the linear polynomial. So if we see the standard form of linear polynomial, it is ax plus b, and it is a polynomial. So the symbol polynomial we can write p of x means polynomial in term of x. Polynomial in term of x, that is called polynomial. Linear polynomial because here a and b belongs to real number. A और b real number है, but a can't equal to 0. a और b कुछ भी हो सकता है पर 0 नहीं सकता. Why? If I take the a0, so what do you get? 0x plus b, so you only b, and b is the constant polynomial. That means a does not equal to 0 in linear polynomial. So that is a standard form of linear polynomial, that is ax plus b. And if we talk about, first note down, so linear polynomial standard form ax plus b, polynomials in term of x, ax plus b, where a and b belongs to real number but a can't equal to 0. In class 9th, you remember the question say find the solution. So what we do? Ax plus b is equal to 0, ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b upon a, and you say that x is equal to minus b upon a is the solution. So this is the zeros. अब ये लीनियर है, that is 0, because number of zeros is equal to the number of degree of polynomial. जितनी डिग्री होती है उतने ही उसके जीरोस होते हैं. So here there is 1 degree. Linear polynomial means degree 1. So it's only one solution. And the solution for the linear polynomial, solution of linear polynomial expressed by alpha. So what is zeros? Zeros, solution of the polynomial, means when we put the value of the variables in the given polynomials, it becomes 0. That is the solution. Example, if I say polynomial in term of y, 8y minus 8. If we take y is equal to minus 1, so p of minus 1, 8 into minus 1, plus 8 minus 8 plus 8 become 0, means p of minus 1 is 0 for y is equal to minus 1, So y equal to minus 1 is the solution or the zeros of this polynomial. We can directly find the solution. How? 8y plus 8 equal to 0. 8y is equal to 8. Y minus 8. Y is equal to minus 8 upon 8. That is minus 1. So, this is the zeros. Okay. So, in this video you have to understand what is the term, degree, zeros and the linear polynomial. They all are the topic of the class 9th. In next video, we have to learn study of the second part, that is the quartic polynomial. So, first you explain the zeros of the polynomial. You know, zeros means the solution. But in class 9th you also, remember, find the solution graphically. So, suppose the polynomial p of x, that is 3x plus 4. So, you have to take the table and take any value of x. You can take at least 2 values, but we take the 3 values. Suppose that 0. If we put x equal to 0, so what you get? 4. We can take 1, 7, 2 and 10. So you can plot. That is the Cartesian plane. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. इधर 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ऐसे कुछ हो जाएगा वैल्यूज. तो 0,4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 यहां कहीं आएगा. A, B, C, A. 1,7, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 यहां कहीं आ जाएगा. 2, 10. तो सपोज दैट यहां कहीं C आ जाएगा. If we join them, it's a form of line. 3x plus 4. Why? Because this is the linear polynomial. Linear means make a line. Make a straight line. So the graph of the linear polynomial is always straight. So this polynomial in term of x. So the number of intersecting point is equal to number of solution. Means this intersect the x-axis because we want the polynomial of x. So it's only one solution. तो ग्राफ किसका होगा ये? Linear. If suppose that the graph is this types of graph is called parabolic shape. Basically this types of graph is not formed for the linear equation, linear polynomial. It's formed for the quadratic cubic. So we talk about the polynomial. There is 2 points, intersecting points on the x-axis. So number of intersecting point 1, 2. So polynomials of x, number of solution जो होंगे, that is the 2. 2 solution means this is the quadratic. Why? It's have 2 solution. If I say 1, 2, 3, 4 solution. biquadratic. If one solution, no solution, P of x polynomial x terms में the intersecting point on x axis, that is one solution. For x, if no solution of polynomial x, because we want the solution of the polynomial x, so we only see the x-axis. On the x-axis, the number of intersecting point is the number of the solution. 1 marks questions, little bits come in the CBSE board examination. That's the graph is given and say which type of solution gives or how many solution of the given the graph. So you can say 4 solution because 4 intersecting point. Okay.